Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang 6th generation from year 2015 to currently year 2023. If you need to find where the electric cooling fan fuses are located, you may have up to 3 fuses, guys. Stay with us. We'll explain where the cooling radiator fan fuses are located, how to get to them. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, test relays, not to just assume they're good or bad, because you may end up wasting quite a bit of money. Stay with us. We'll cover that in this video today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything, guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be, guys, taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate here, guys, okay, on a Ford Mustang 2018 model. Let's go ahead, open the hood. Even if you have a 4-cylinder or 8-cylinder engine, it will work for both of these. You can see the fuse box is located, okay, right here. In order, guys, okay, to open that fuse box, you're going to press right here, lift up and pull it out, okay. Now that fuse box on the back side, you can slide it a little bit and it will come out, okay, or you can keep it open even like that, okay. That's good, perfect, like that we can see the fuses. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So for the cooling fans, guys, okay, what we need to do now, we need to find first fuse number 3. So if you come right here, okay, if you see on the fuse box, on the cover, you will see the fuse numbers printed. Fuse number 3 will be, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it, 1, 2, 3. It's that 30 fuse right here, one of them. The second fuse that you need to check is fuse number 4, 3 and 4. These 2 fuses needs to be checked. But now you guys have actually, okay, one more fuse that you will need to check. Not just, now some vehicles may not have this one, some may do. But if you look right here, guys, we're talking about fuse number 55. So in that little box here will be 1, 2, 3, the third fuse. 1, 2, 3, so that 25 fuse will be as well. So you need to check this one, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.